Hello students, welcome back to your computer class. This is your computer book for standard 2. Children, open your book. Open page number 31. Children, in our last class I have taught you about different types of keys present on the keyboard. Today I am going to continue the same lesson and I will explain you about some other keys. Backspace key. The backspace key should be pressed to erase the character to the left of the cursor. So, children, backspace key is there on your keyboard. This is here you can see the picture, and it is used to erase the left character of the left part of the character. Suppose here you see here keyboard is written, keyboard spelling is wrong. So if you will press the backspace key, then this R will be erased, not the right side R, but the left side R will be erased and you will get the correct spelling. So children, turn the next page. Arrow keys. Arrow key, children. See here in your keyboard you can see these types of arrow keys are present on the keyboard. On your right side of the keyboard you can find these arrow keys. So let's see what is their use. You can see 4 keys marked with arrow on the keyboard. These keys are used to move the cursor in 4 directions: up, down, left and right. So these are the 4 arrow keys and these are used to move the cursor to the 4 direction, that is up, then down, then left, then right. These 4 keys are also known as cursor control keys. So with the help of these keys you can control the cursor. Delete key. When you press the delete key, it erases the character to the right side of the cursor. So children, when you use the delete key, it is always erasing the right side of your cursor. Shift key. There are 2 shift keys present on the keyboard. Shift key is used when you need to type the upper character of the keys. So children, see here you can see the picture of a keyboard. Then here you can see this is one shift key and another shift key is here. These 2 shift keys, this one and this one, and these 2 are used to type the upper character of the keyboard. For example, to type sign A, you should press the shift key along with the S. This sign will appear on the screen. Both the keys you have to press at a time so that you will get the sign. Then escape key. Escape key called escape key is used to exit from a program. So this key is used to exit from a program. If you want to quit out of a program, then you can press this escape key. Then tab key. The tab key is used to move the cursor some space forward. This is used to move the cursor forward. Function keys. See children, in your keyboard here up you can see here F1, F2, F3 up to F12 is there. These are all your function keys. So these keys are placed on the top of the keyboard and each function keys perform a specific function. Then comes your punctuation keys. These are the punctuation marks you can see here. The keys marked with punctuation marks such as comma, full stop, exclamation mark and question mark are known as your punctuation keys. So these are the keys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These keys are used to give your comma, full stop, exclamation mark, question mark and they are also called punctuation key. So children, this lesson is our completed. Next class I will complete the question answer. Your work is to read this lesson, read lesson 4 whole completely 2 times. Thank you. Have a nice day.